Hello everyone, this is Levi Sheridan, and today I'm sharing 3 little designs that I came up with just as a fun little project for magnetic fidget toys. There are 3 different types, so I'll start off with this one, which consists of 2 main parts. This part, and then this is like the slider part of it with these 2 magnetic arrays. And this has a little bit of ultra high molecular weight polystyrene tape on it, which allows it to slide smoothly even though the 3D printed surface isn't great. This one, I just designed it to slide back and forth. You can stop it in the middle, and you can also index it like this, and you feel a little click. It's not too good. It does make a nice click noise, but sometimes it will pop out like that if you don't push down. It kind of hops over sometimes it flies off, as you can see. But it's pretty simple, just press fit magnets, and it makes a nice noise, just is not great, and it's not too satisfying. Moving on to the next one. This one didn't really turn out how I thought it would, but it can operate in 2 different ways. So in this one, I actually embedded the magnets inside of the 3D print, so you can't see them, but there are similar arrays of magnets on either one of these, and then one on each side of this. And in this configuration, it feels like almost like a spring effect, and you can spin it very nicely. And then you can actually turn the center part around. If you take this off, you can flip this around and slide this back on like so. And then it kind of snaps back and forth, which is a very different feel than the repelling. And then it also similarly indexes, but it's not very satisfying. I didn't add any of that tape, so that's probably why it doesn't feel too great. But you might be able to hear it. But yeah, so that's the second one. And the final one is my favorite. It's just a magnetic slider. So it consists of these 2 parts with press fit magnets and then the slippery tape. It's still not great. It does slide. You can kind of flip it around, a few different things you can do with it, side to side, back and forth, and you can kind of like flip it around like that. I based it off of some designs I've seen of nice fidget toys online. I've never used a nicer one that I based it off of, but I hope it's better than this, because this isn't great. But it's not too bad for inexpensive magnets and cheap 3D printed plastic and a little bit of slippery tape. But it's my favorite by far out of the 3. So yeah, that's it for now. I just wanted to share these few designs I came up with. I don't know if I'll keep making them because they're not turning out that great, but who knows. All right, thank you for watching. That's it for now. Bye.